Take your profits. Take your profits, man. Take your profits. Stop. You see, you playing with the profits, and now the profits are going away. Get back to the 1,000, and I take the profits, now. All right, we're gonna take the gold profits. Boom. All right, let's see what we got. So retail sales down. Empire State Manufacturing Index up. Retail sales month to month down. This is core and this is total, so that's down as well. Unemployment claims looks pretty good, so that means the dollar, it's a mixed bag. So I'm not sure exactly where this is gonna head, but I might want to close this in profit because I think it's gonna reverse. So let me close that and let's see what happens. Gold spiked up, came back down. Yeah, let's wait and see what direction the market is going to decide to go in, because we definitely have a mixed bag. Let's see, what is GJ doing? Yeah, it spiked down and then came right back up. So dollar spiked down, but I suspect it's going to reverse. All right, so we are fully extended hammer time on gold. The anticipation is for it to come somewhere at this level. We also have trade on UJ, and the expectations for it to come back down to this level. Let's go to trading view. Yeah, so the expectations for it to come to this vicinity right here, based on this previous. This is going to be the first level, and the second level will probably be somewhere around here. But because of the mixed bag that we got in the news, I really don't see gold coming to the 2021s. I think it's going to go slightly above 2,000 to around this area. That's what I'm looking for. UJ, it has retracted, but the anticipation is for it to come to this level. So we're going to hold and see what happens. Right now we're in a drawdown of -200, and yeah, let's see what happens. All right, gold is moving. It's close to my level right here. Let's see how we're doing with UJ. UJ had retracted, but it looks like it's recovering now. The anticipation is for it to come to this level right here. So we're holding on both. Let's check MT5. This is where we're at with gold. I'm wondering if I should close gold. Let me see. Let me check. Let's go back to trading view. Go back to gold. And I'm going to check, see what the 1 minute is doing. See if it's pushing minute by minute. And it looks like it is. Okay, 5 minute looks to be pushing as well. Well, I mean, it's really all the same thing, but when you look on the lower time frames, you get the play-by-play quicker, so you can see exactly what's happening on a much quicker time frame. So it looks like it's pushing, so I'm gonna give it some room, some time to get to my level here. All right, it's pushing. Let's go to trading view again. Come on, push, baby, push. Let's go. Maybe I should stop playing with this, man. Stop playing and take your profits. Take your profits. Take your profits, man. Take your profits. Stop play. You see, you playing with the profits, and now the profits are going away. Get back to the 1,000, and I take the profits, now. All right, we're gonna take the gold profits. Boom. All right, so all we're waiting on right now is UJ to come back and give us some good news. Some good news. I think that was close enough. We held on for a while, and I think that was that was good as far as gold is concerned. And we're gonna wait to see what UJ is doing. Let's see what UCAD is doing. Ooh, UCAD. Should I go in for UCAD? QC is way extended, and yeah, I'm gonna wait for the retraction on that. GJ, what's GJ doing? It's trying to cross over. Not too sure about that. GU. Oh, that would have been another good one. I think it's coming to this level, and that'll probably be it. All right, well, let's see what okay, looking at gold, I still think it's going to come to this level. So after taking those profits, I re-entered in anticipation for it to come here, and then I'll be out or close enough. I'm limiting the trades right now. The hammer times, I only got like 2 trades right now, just in case. So if we look at MT5, this is where we are. We got 2 trades on gold, and then we got the one UJ. We're waiting for it to keep going. So yeah, gold seems to have good movement right now, and I'm trying to take advantage of that while we still have momentum and volume in the market. So we look at, if we go back to trading view and we go to the 1 hour, for example, yeah, we can see it's pushing. Even if we look at the 4 hour, yeah, I think there's a good chance at least to this level. Hopefully there's not going to be a deep pullback before it gets to that level. Okay, so I entered again into UCAD. Anticipations for it to come to this level for a single trade. Just make a little bit of money on that to add to the total. Let me go ahead and take that. But it looks like it's close to the level and it might retract, and I don't want to risk that. We're still waiting for UJ. It's really sluggish. But as soon as it gets here and I have less of a loss, I'm probably going to close it because it's really struggling. It's really struggling, and QC is trending up, so I don't know if it's going to really come down. We're getting to 1030. Volume is starting to shrink, so I don't know about that. I re-entered gold, but I'm also waiting for it. Once it gets to this levels and I'm a little bit in profit, I'm going to close it as well because I do not want to risk. So far today, the gains, we are at 700 for the day. We had some prior losses. Without those losses, we'll probably be at 12 or 1300, but hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. 700 minus the fees, we're at 657. So we want to preserve those gains and not risk losing those gains. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna give it a little bit of time, and hopefully we're gonna get a boost. And but okay, let's keep holding, see what happens. Okay, gold looks like it's on the move. Again, it's gone up close to my level. Let's see what's going on. I'm gonna close it. No risk. Get out of it because I do anticipate a retraction coming. I might play for the retraction, but for now we're gonna keep our gains safe. Now I'm just looking at UJ and waiting for it to get close enough so I can close it and we can preserve those gains. We're now at 739. So if I close that in a loss, we'll be back to like 680 or something like that, which is not too bad. But let's see if we can get more of a discount and then close it. Okay, so as we can see, I closed those trades as soon as this popped up because I knew it was going to reverse on me. As you can see, the we started losing volume and momentum, and therefore the trade reversed. As soon as I closed, it just tanked. Boom. Now, unfortunately, I missed the reversal. I did not catch that, but it was a pretty good day with gold for the most part. Initially, when it started off rough. I tried to jump the market, but in the end, I lost a couple of trades in the beginning, but then eventually in the market picked a direction. I was right there to get some gains from it, so that was good. Then we had UJ. That trade reversed. When it got to this location, I closed it for a loss of about 135, which is this one right here. So that brought my gains down a little bit. And then I tried to go in for a quick recovery trade, which brought in about 40 bucks or so. So, that reduced the loss to about 100. And then I closed out of it because, again, it's past my trading window time. We're losing volume and momentum, as you can see right there. So I got out of that trade. Then we had UJ. So let me expand this. So I went in early. The news came in. The trade went pretty well. I closed it here once it had passed this level right here, because it started dancing, and I figured, okay, this thing might come back, so I closed it. But if I just held on, man, look at all this gain right here. Look at all this gain. If I just held on, it would have been really, really good. But I didn't, and I closed early. That's something I really need to work on. Then as it got down here, I went in again for a trade. But as it started to reverse, I got out because I could see QC, as you can see, was all the way down here. And then also RSI was way oversold. So things started to move up, and I got out of that trade. So yeah, those were the three assets that I traded. So at the end of the day, this right here is the results. 643.14 cents minus the fees, of course, and the total profit becomes 576.64 cents. Not bad for one day. But if I hadn't had these prior losses when I tried to jump gold, definitely the day would have ended up $1,000 plus. But all profits are good profits, and I'm grateful for those profits. Have a great day. Peace.